Slopes are a great opportunity to create some interest in a yard. This slope is above a barbecue area and it keeps dropping debris and it's visually pretty boring. Since we don't need to support anything structural, we're going to create a simple aesthetic retaining wall that will act as a backdrop for this barbecue area. First, I'm cutting back the slope to step it. And then we're going to use a 2x12 pressure treated piece of lumber to hold the soil back. All right, so this is our 2x12 pressure treated. We have the 2 stakes in the back. We're gonna drop that in, and then we're just gonna pound it into place. And on the front side, I'm going to put a longer 2-foot stake, and that way it's stable on both sides. You can use a mallet, or maybe just your body weight to push it in place and make sure that it's level. So the very last thing that we need to do is to put some plants in. That's really gonna help soften this area. It's gonna give us a beautiful backdrop to the barbecue, as well as it's gonna help stabilize the slope. I'm using an asparagus fern, and it has a lime green color that's gonna pop really nice against the blue retaining wall. I also have a mint bush in the back that's gonna grow up and cover the chain link fence, so the background of our barbecue area is gonna be full, lush, and green. If you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing and click on the link right here to see how I built the rest of this barbecue area. All right, thanks guys.